Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a special podcast live from Singapore. And today we are here with a special guest who are I'm Drishti Yadav from grade 8 Omega.
I'm Anaya from 7 Alpha. Hello, I'm Sanvi from grade 7 Sigma.
Hi everyone, I'm Anaya Verma from 7 Sigma. Oh my god, and I am Anvi, your host for today's episode. And today we're going to talk about a really interesting topic, which is what is really special about Singapore? What makes it so unique and so good?
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
The first question that, how are you guys? And how do you like Singapore? I'm fine and I hope that everyone present here are good. My experience in Singapore was the best and one of my favorite trip of all times. And what really amazes me is the history, architecture and all. First of all, Singapore as a country had really diverse culture. Despite being really small, it had really advanced infrastructure as well, and it also was surrounded by lush green bushes.
I'm really good. I would love to come to Singapore again.
Hello everyone, I am really good right now and Singapore was an amazing experience for me. Now Anvi, how are you? Oh, thank you for asking the question. I'm alright and all steady. And my Singapore experience is absolutely fantastic. I would love to come here again. So second question is, what is the guy's favorite place you liked till now? Is it the Universal Studios? Is it what? The favorite place of mine was the Universal Studios, as we played many games there and it was fun there and we loved everything there present there. Singapore cruise was such a ravish ride. It gave us the opportunity to collect sceneries and I personally enjoyed the commentary given by the guide about the culture and the history of Singapore.
So my favorite place in Singapore is Marina Bay Sands. This iconic hotel and integrated resort offers breathtaking views and infinity pool and access to various attractions.
So my favorite place in Singapore was Sentosa Island. The lighted fireworks show was amazing. The infrastructure and everything was amazing. The ocean, the breeze, the beach itself was totally awesome. Then the scenery was amazing. The third question coming up is, what is that one thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word Singapore? As the people who visit this vibrant city of Singapore, then they get to see the city's stunning skyline to iconic landmarks, such as the most remarkable gardens by the bay, as Singapore is jam-packed with the best iconic attractions.
Now the first thing that comes in my mind about Singapore is the cleanliness. The roads, shops, halls were extremely hygienic and the cleanliness of the country was unmatched. Honestly, the feeling of stepping into the future Singapore is like a sci-fi movie where nature and technology are best friends. This is what tomorrow looks like.
Singapore was a wonderful experience for me. Personally, the experience was exuberant. The nature itself was so lavish, the people were super kind-hearted. I loved my experience. Now lastly, I think you'll agree with everyone here at how the people love the stunning skyline and how people like the culture diversity that treat everyone equal, of any culture they are from. And how technology is one of the main focus here and how everything goes well planned. Next question coming up is that what do you think is the speciality of Singapore? What makes it unique and the best out of all? The speciality of Singapore was that the environment was very clean and there was a unique cultural blend with the most remarkable attractions, such as the Merlin's culture. It was very clean and hygienic and their culture and iconic buildings. The cultural diversity in Singapore is really nice. The multi-diversity of Singapore is really unique as well. And the best part is that each religion, language and caste is respected wholeheartedly.
For me, it was MRT because the way it collects whole city clean, quiet and always on time.
I think that the most special thing for me is how the people cooperate with the government. They make a decision. They follow and respect it personally. Now we'll talk about our last question. What do you think India can take and implement from Singapore in the country? As we know that Singapore is also very developed in green hydrogen technology as it can be implemented in India. As cooperation could also involve sharing expertise and technology in this area. As you all know, everything has room for improvement. India is also very beautiful, but it needs some improvement which they can take from Singapore.
Something in Singapore that could be implemented in India would be the public transport, which is super reliable, affordable, and convenient. The system provides connections between residential areas and MRT stations, which makes it really easy to travel.
The idea of silent efficiency in Singapore things just work without any shouting and chaos. I'd love to bring that quiet smoothness to Indian public places. I believe that one thing India should learn or implement from Singapore is their advanced planning, their long-term planning, because when they make a decision, when they make a devotion, they think 10 years ahead of it.
Wow, I mean, you guys are creative. Like, wow. I would like to thank our school, Khan International School, Chandigarh, India, and also Etel Adventures. Thank you so much, everyone. Meet you in the next podcast.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.